Learning at Randolph-Macon is about so much more than just sitting in class. It's about the specific tools, practices, or mindsets you can develop as you prepare for life after college. Students here have access to so many unique types of learning opportunities that you wouldn't normally find at the undergraduate level.
As a history, classical studies, and archaeology triple major, I've had unforgettable experiences within all three of my majors, like interning with 2 different museums, excavating Patrick Henry's home to learn methods of archaeology, and conducting research on Lord Dunmore, who was the last royal governor of Virginia. Experiences like these have enabled me to learn my field on a deeper level. However, I've also benefited from stepping outside of my field and taking classes like computer science or chemistry and art in the ancient world. Having the liberal arts intertwined into my curriculum has taught me to look at a problem not only from a historical lens, but also from a scientific perspective and the point of view of a different demographic.
And for me, as a biology major and a chemistry minor, the ability to participate in research is very important. I have been involved in research through the biology department for roughly the past 2.5 years, collaborating with a faculty mentor on a project based in immunology and with roots in public health as it relates to malnutrition. My passion for the medical field has both grown and evolved at Randolph-Macon. As an incoming freshman, I was certain I wanted to go to medical school. Through the varied curriculum at RMC, however, as well as my research, internship, and volunteer opportunities with the local medical clinic, I have realized that there's so much more to the field of medicine that I hadn't even considered, and ultimately decided to pursue a master's degree in public health next year.
For all students preparing to enter college, our advice is to major in something that gets you excited to go to class. If you love what you study, it will be easy to get involved within your major and thrive in class.
And if you're not quite sure what that passion is yet, don't worry. You will have a chance to explore many different fields in your first 2 years at Randolph-Macon, and will find the field that's right for you.
Welcome back for night 2 of Open House Week. We hope you enjoyed getting to know the Yellow Jacket community in last night's sessions and left with a better understanding of the application and financial aid process here. Tonight's focus is the brain of RMC, academic life. Randolph-Macon's personalized liberal arts curriculum enables students to build mentor relationships with your professors, engage in hands-on discussion-based learning, and enhance your education through powerful learning opportunities, such as independent research and study abroad. But don't just take my word for it. Dr. Elisa Rosenthal is in her 2nd year at RMC, serving as Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs. Provost Rosenthal has brought her deep knowledge and passion for the liberal arts and higher education to her important work here at Randolph-Macon. To help you dive into tonight's program, she will share some highlights of academic life at RMC.
Thanks for being here tonight. I'm really excited to introduce you to the academic program here at Randolph-Macon College and to take just a few minutes to tell you a little bit about what's so special about what we do here. In just a few minutes, when I'm done talking, you'll see a faculty panel with a number of our faculty members who are going to be able to share with you their perspective on teaching at Randolph-Macon College and what makes that such a rewarding experience for them. When they're done, you're going to have the opportunity to drop into Zoom rooms for all the different majors that you might be interested in and to chat with the faculty there. But before we get to any of that, I want to tell you a little bit about some of the highlights of the Randolph-Macon College academic experience that's true for all students. That isn't about what major you are and what area you're choosing to study. What's at the heart of the Randolph-Macon College academic experience is relationships. Authentic, deep, meaningful relationships between faculty and students, between students and students, between faculty and faculty. This is a place that's about community, and we believe that you learn best in community with others. And so your faculty advisor who you meet upon arriving on campus, they're going to get to know you not just as a student in the classroom, but as a person who has goals and aspirations and dreams and talents and skills. And they're going to work with you to shape those to get to your goals and your directions. And that's going to be true of all your faculty here, not just your academic advisor. That's going to be true of the faculty who teach you in your general education courses that help you think like a liberally educated person. That's going to be true of your major advisor when you declare a direction for your study. And that's going to be true for the faculty you have in your electives. Because the reason faculty teach here at Randolph-Macon College is that they want to provide the kind of guidance and modeling for students that allows students to become everything they're capable of being. So your faculty members are going to get to know you, and you're going to get to know them, and you're going to get to know other students working together in group projects, in active learning, in all sorts of presentations, in engaged academic work that's a lot more than just sitting and listening. It's about you putting yourself forward and learning what you're fully capable of. So it's my pleasure to welcome you to tonight's program and to give you an opportunity to get just a glimpse of what it is we do here in the academic realm at Randolph-Macon. Thanks.